Hi, today we'll talk about one of the 3 shapes we've done with Johnny Cabianca, and this one is about the candy model. You'll take the candy to enjoy your smooth weekend surf session. It could be your first shortboard or your around board from small to medium waves. It's a real wave catcher, easy to paddle, lots of control. It just makes your surfing easier. There's a single to V concave that enables to generate speed while maintaining an easy rail-to-rail transition. With its round tail you can maintain speed and control even in slightly hollow conditions. And with the Wyve construction you'll get even more buoyancy to catch more wave, improve faster and enjoy. The candy will add a sweet flavor to your waves.